Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to see how to use the Symmetry tool. So this is slightly going to be a different kind of a video, no coloring, nothing, but just how to basically use this Symmetry tool option, because it's a blessing that we have it on Procreate, and I'm going to show you how you can easily effectively use it for all your sketches. But before that, I want to show you the brush set that I downloaded, and I felt it's really very interesting and you should too. So it is the basic 10 brushes from Jingsketch, Procreate brushes from Gumroad, and as you can see I've already purchased, so it says purchase again, and of course it is for free. You can just type in 0 amount if you want, or if you are willing to, you can pay any amount, but then I downloaded it for free. It is possible for you to download it for free, so why not just go ahead and download the sketch, and then we can start this video. So from that brush set, I'm using this clean sketch brush tool, and guys, this is magic. Like, I have gotten so addicted to this brush now because the feel that this brush gives, look at this, it looks like very sketchy and very conceptual, but this you usually won't get it by using a technical pen or any other inbuilt pen. So yeah, please do download it and make sure to use it and see. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I felt it is really good and I want you guys to try it as well. So yeah, so right now I have a certain reference in mind, and also I thought I will just draw random things that come to my mind. And yeah, I have sort of referenced using Pinterest. I've got inspiration from Pinterest, interior mood boards and all that. So right now I'm starting to sketch these random components that comes to my mind using this clean sketch brush. So these sketches are going to be the backbone for using our Symmetry tool. Sometimes if you guys are like very confident with, if you know what you want to do, then directly you can set your Symmetry option from the drawing guide option. But if not, then I think it's always best to like put down your ideas first on the canvas, be sure of what you want to draw, and then you can use the tool very easily. So yeah, basically I have fast forwarded it, but if you want to draw along with me, then make sure to go to your settings and adjust the playback speed. But yeah, it's all like very basic sketches. So I've drawn like a lounge chair, a frame, a photo frame, and then a side table, a vase. Try to guess what I'm going to draw next. It's just a simple basket, guys. So it's just random things just to demonstrate you guys how to use this tool. So if you guys have been following my videos, you would have seen in various sketches or demonstrations I would have drawn like a vase or a flower pot, any random things which wouldn't have been that proportionate or very pleasing to the eye because it's not looking symmetrical. So yeah, I'm just showing you all these little tools as well, so that it will be easy for you in the future for doing any other sketches. So that was a set of cushions right there. And now I'm making a table lamp. Guys, using this brush, I feel it already looks really good, like in a very conceptual way. It really looks good, I feel. Yeah, so please do try this. Even you will like it, I'm pretty sure. So right now I'm just trying to adjust everything and put stuff in its place. So I'm making a little bit of room for a two-seater sofa. So I've tried to include like different kind of objects that has different shapes. So when I'm demonstrating the actual tool, then you'll know how well you can use it. And this is also very time effective. It doesn't take much of your time. If you want to draw something in a hurry and it's not coming in the way that you thought, just use this tool and your time is saved. But yeah, I encourage you to try different objects as well. So I think we have completed with the skeletal, and now it's time to use the tool. So just on the drawing guide option, edit drawing guide, and we usually use the perspective option, but now just click on the symmetry and you see this huge long line in the middle. So the green dot is to like rotate it anyhow you want to, and if you press on it you can reset it back to its original place, and this blue point is to like move it around. So now I'm going to move it to this sofa here. Done. And in a new layer, so just reduce the opacity of this drawing layer so you'll know what you're doing clearly with the same pen. And make sure to on your drawing assist option. So did you just see that magic, you guys? Look at that. So you just have to draw only on one side and the other side gets repeated on itself. Like what? Wow. Isn't this crazy? I don't know, most of you guys would know about this tool, but I have personally struggled a lot to use it. I know now it may seem very easy, but you know, I used to see a lot of videos and people would like just randomly use this symmetry tool, and I had no idea like how to use it. The first time when I used it, I was having a lot of doubts of how to move it around. So I will show you. So just go back to this edit drawing guide option, and now you can move this to another object. So yes, you are supposed to use it this way. At first I thought, oh, we can use it only once and that's done, but no, you can use it for various objects. You can move around this guide. It's unlike the other, you know, the perspective or the grid layout that restricts you to or it just allows you to use it throughout the canvas. But yeah, this is a really good tool, you guys. Just make sure to adjust the thickness of your pen or pencil that you use. So for the chain you don't need to have such thick line weights, so I was just adjusting the line weights according to the objects. Again, go back to the edit option and move the blue dot around. There you go, it's moved, and then you can continue with your work. Isn't it easy, you guys? So I just switched off the drawing assist option on because I didn't want the symmetry here. So you can easily switch it off and you can do your normal sketching upon it as well. And to use it again, you can switch it back on. And then go in and move your blue button and you can just continue with your drawing. And isn't it very time effective? Like, you can just do sketches in a gist of a second without any extra work. So basically I'm repeating the same process for all the other sketches as well. What do you think about this tool, you guys? Comment down below. Was it useful to you and have you tried it yet? Do try it out and let me know how it went. You know, we can also create interiors using Symmetry, because some of the interiors are very much symmetrical, or also for creating tile patterns of your own, or also, have you heard of mandala design, wherein you have a lot of floral patterns that many people use in their painting artworks, or also for picture framing basically. So yeah, I mean, it's very much handy. And for interiors, yes, definitely it's a must use. Like, these pillows were really ugly before, I agree, but now because of that symmetry, I feel it looks better. Don't restrict your hands, just let it move freely. So your sketch looks really organic. And there you go, you guys, it's all done. So in case if you want to color inside, I'm just demonstrating a couple of sketches for you, just in case. You can every time go back to our beloved flat brush pen, because it gives that effect of a marker, or you know, that Copic marker that we get and we use on sheets, right, like different alcoholic markers. So it gives that effect very easily. So yeah, you can use it for creating mood boards, or you know, like any kind of university presentations, like I say usually. But yeah, it is very, very handy. I mean, I was able to do this set of sketches within maybe 15 minutes. Yeah, so yeah. Just use the flat brush pen and highlight all the corners. You can also use a combination of light and dark tones of the same color to show that folds and to show that shine or whatever, but it's not like that realistic kind of effect that I'm trying to show here. It's very conceptual, but if you can also try the realistic one. You can go to my videos, my previous videos, and look for how to create a realistic chair video. So yeah, there I have taught you a lot of techniques to do that, so you can follow the same for all these elements just in case. But I feel these sketchy ones with just this alcoholic marker kind of a feel, that really gives a cool effect, especially for designers, for client meetings and all that. Like surprisingly, clients are very what do you say, very satisfied with such type of presentation rather than being very formal. They are very much interested and keen to know more when you show something like this to them. So yeah. So guys, there are 4 options for symmetry, that's vertical, horizontal, quadrant and radial, but right now I have shown only like the vertical, or you can use the same for the horizontal as well, but the other 2 I will teach you in another lesson separately, because this is just the introductory for the symmetry tool, so I just wanted to keep it as simple as possible. So yeah, but if you want, you can just experiment with the other 2 options as well. I hope this video helped you in a certain way. Just let me know what you felt about this video in the comment section, and people who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, you guys. And also to all my subscribers, thank you very much for your support, and only because of your support I feel very encouraged to do more and to give the best for you guys. Thank you very much, and please make sure to like, share and subscribe again. So yeah, that is it for today's video, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Until then, always keep smiling because it reduces a lot of stress. Bye.